Hello everyone, this is Miss O, and tonight we are going to be talking about solving 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication using standard algorithm. These are your guided notes for the night, and then you're going to have a quick check at the bottom that you're going to submit on Schoology. But let's go ahead and get started. So to start off with standard algorithm with 2-digit by 2-digit numbers, we are first going to look at our ones place. So for our first problem in our ones place, we have 2 in 22 and 4 in 14. So your first step, and I'm going to circle it here. Let me switch my color real quick. Is we are going to look at our ones place. So that's always the first step, is we're going to multiply both of our ones places. So for this, we're going to multiply 4 times 2, which we know that 4 times 2 is 8. Then we're going to use our other ones place. We're always going to go off the bottom numbers. Then we're going to multiply our ones place by our tens place. So our 4 times our 2, which is also 8. Now, we are going to start looking at our tens place of our 14, but first we're always going to put a 0, which is our placeholder. So that 0 is always important. Make sure you do that. So now we're going to multiply our tens place by our ones place, which 1 times 2 is 2. Then we're going to multiply our tens place by our tens place, which 1 times 2 is 2. Now our last step is we are going to add these two numbers together. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry that one just like normal addition. And 1 plus 2 is 3 to give you an answer of 308. Now we're going to move on to our next one. Same thing. Multiply your ones places first. 4 times 6 is 24. Now we have that 2. We're going to carry that 2 just like a normal addition problem. Even though it's multiplication, we're still going to carry. Now we're going to do our ones place times our tens, which is 4 times 3 is 12, but we cannot forget to add that 2 that we carried. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So again, now I have that 4, but I also have a 1, so I need to bring him right down. We carried him, he needs nobody to add to, so we're just going to carry him right down to get 144. Put that 0 as your placeholder before you move on. Tens place times your ones. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry that 1 again. And now we're going to do our tens place times our tens place. 2 times 3 is 6. We're going to add that 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Now remember, this should just be a review from today. This is just some more example problems. Now we're going to add 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 1 plus 7 is 8, giving you an answer of 864. Now this last one, I would like you to pause it and try by yourself. If you are still totally lost or confused, you can follow along with me, but I would like you to try this one by yourself. I'm going to start. If you're lost, follow along with me. We're going to multiply our ones places. 1 times 3 is 3. Then we're going to do our ones in our tens place. 1 times 5 is 5. Don't forget that 0 as your placeholder. And then we're going to do our tens place times our ones place. 1 times 3 is 3. Tens place times tens place. 1 times 5 is 5. We have nothing to carry over, so we can just go ahead and add. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then we bring down that 5 because we are not adding him to anybody, giving us 583. Now, I am going to show you 3 problems that you have to complete as your quick check. This is just to show me what we know, how we feel. You're going to try these by yourself, and you're going to submit these to me on Schoology. Okay, these are counting as a homework grade. But again, this is just for me to see how you feel, where you're at. If you feel confident, here's some extra credit problems that are optional. Those are some challenge problems that you can go ahead and complete. Don't forget, you are turning this in on Schoology. If you use multiplication charts and extras, that is also there. See you all tomorrow.